Welcome back to my channel. This is Pragya Jain, and today in this video we are covering a topic of model regression using Python. So firstly we'll discuss the brief introduction about model regression modeling. So it is a supervised learning technique used to predict the values of the dependent variables for the new unseen data. It models the relationship between the input features and the targeted variables, allowing for the estimations or the predictions of the numerical values. Regression analysis problem works with the output variable is a real or continuous value. For example, you can say salary or weight. Many different models can be used, but the simplest is linear regression that we are discussing today. The many terminologies are related to regression models are response variable, predict variable, outliers, underfitting, overfitting. And regression have many types such as simple regression, multiple regression, linear, non-linear regressions, and many more. But today we are discussing about linear regression. So the importance of feature selections in regression model are as follows. It improves accuracy, model interpretability, and computational efficiency. By selecting features which are important, improves the accuracy of a model. Model interpretability, by reducing the number of features by the model, becomes more interpretable, allowing for better understanding of driving factors. Computational efficiency. Streaming the feature set reduces the computational resources required of train and deploy the data. Now we are implementing some code in Python. So this is the basic model, that basic steps you can say for you to code any code in regression in Python. So first you have to prepare the data, then model selection, then stepwise iteration. For data preparation, you have to pre-process the data by handling the missing values and split it into training and testing sets. Then you have model selection. Choose an appropriate regression model such as linear and logistic regressions to serve as a base model. Then third one is stepwise iteration. Systematically add or remove features, evaluating the model performance at each step to identify the optimal set of predictions. Now we have a code. We are using Python language here. You can use any other language as you want. Firstly, we are importing some libraries, that is pandas, numpy, stats model, sklearn.datasets, and many. You can import any library as you want from Python. We are loading the sample dataset. For example, a diabetic database or a weight database, a salary database. You can add any database to it. Now we are separate X features and target variables phi. We have here the function for forward stepwise regression and here for backward stepwise regression. You can go through this for stepwise for backward and forward stepwise regressions. And here we are performing backward stepwise regressions and fitting a regression model with selected features. Now we have is importing for the results and model evaluations, feature importance, model performance, reducible analysis, and cross-validation. Feature importance is analyzing the coefficients and the p-values to understand the relative and importance and significance of each feature. Model performance. Evaluate the model performance matrix such as R-square, adjust the R-square, and root mean square. About model performance we have learned in previous video. You can refer that for further details. Cross-validation is perform cross-validation to ensure the model's generalizability and reboost to unseen data. This is it for regression. Thank you.